Unless we can get help for some of our medicines, we will have to discontinue them.
New at 5:30, concerns about the price of some life-saving medicines. Some patients in the Carolinas telling Channel 9 that they've received letters in the mail warning them that their prescription cost might go up. Channel 9's Dave Faraday looks into if it could be related to tariffs.
That's my wife's daily medications. There's 21 different medications in here.
Carl Andrews showed us some of the medications his wife Patsy takes every day for her heart condition, diabetes, and other medical issues. He estimates their monthly bill is between $500 and $600. A lot of money for the couple who is retired after working in the furniture industry for 30 years.
I'm pretty worried because a lot of that medicines I have to have. I don't have a choice but to take them.
The couple says they try to save money by ordering 2 of their medications from Canada, but they say they became concerned after receiving this email from Canada Drugs Online, stating that because of tariffs, they were unable to ship, and when shipments resumed, there would be a price increase. The couple says they are prepared to cut back on their medications if necessary.
I'm taking one a day or whatever, or just cutting some of them out altogether.
Unless we can get help for some of our medicines, we will have to discontinue them. We won't have a choice.
Earlier this year, President Trump announced 100% tariffs on imports of brand name or patented medicines unless the drug companies commit to building manufacturing facilities in the U.S. The tariffs were supposed to take effect on October 1st, but were put on hold as the administration worked to strike deals with major pharmaceutical companies.
Excella Pharma Sciences.
Excella Pharma Sciences shared this video from Lenore, where it develops and manufactures sterile injectable products. We asked the company about the impact of tariffs on its operation. Its president and CEO said in part, those companies in the U.S. with U.S. manufacturing capability but are manufacturing overseas have an easier path, in some cases, to bring manufacturing into their U.S. base. He says that tariffs impact Excella in a different way. The company manufactures 90% of its product here, but it imports raw materials and equipment that could be subject to tariffs. At People's Drug Store in Taylorsville, longtime pharmacist Phil Eichert says he gets some of his medications from overseas. He told me so far he's seen price increases in over-the-counter products, but he's not seen a drastic increase in prescription drug prices.
I don't know if that's due to the shipping and from country to country, but we monitor it daily and we keep reading some of the journals, and they keep telling us to keep our eye on it.
Eichert says he'll be focused on January, when companies typically raise prices. Carl and Patsy Andrews hope that doesn't happen as they try to budget for their prescription medications.
It's hard to plan. I mean, they're both on Social Security, and we don't draw a whole lot.
Reporting in Morganton, I'm Dave Faraday, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Now, if you have concerns about the price of your prescriptions, Action 9 attorney Jason Stujenki shares some helpful tips.
I have 7 thoughts for you about getting your meds.
1, don't be afraid to tell your doctor the drug is too expensive. See if they're just as good with a similar med, maybe a generic. 2, ask if they have samples. Sure, this is more of a short-term solution, but it may buy you some time. 3, ask your pharmacist about discount programs. 4, while you're there, see if it's cheaper if you pay out of pocket instead of using insurance. Sounds weird, I know, but it happens. 5, see if the manufacturer has a patient assistance program. I've helped many patients this way over the years. 6, check out websites like GoodRx and SingleCare for coupons. And 7, consider nonprofits like NC Medicist, free meds for those who qualify.
And just a word of caution about online pharmacies. I know it may be tempting if you find a deal, but please know this, those drugs may be dangerous. Now, if you're not sure, you can always start with the FDA's Be Safe RX page. I put a link for that on WSOC-TV.com. It's there with Dave's report. In North Charlotte, Jason Stujenki, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.